Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve when 25 plus 5 and in bracket 2 plus 3 is given and we have to check whether our answer is 4 factorial plus 26 or 4 factorial plus 25. So let's start with the today's video and check its solution. So as per the BODMAS rule, we first solve the bracket. So 25 plus 5, 2 plus 3 is 5 and outside the bracket there is no sign, that means multiplication sign. So 5. So 25 plus 5 times 5 is 25 and 25 plus 25 is 50. So our answer is 50, but there is no option like 50. So we have to solve our options also and check our answer. So our first option is 4 factorial. So if we are going to solve the factorial, we can write it as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus, times 2 is 24. 24 times 1 is 24. So what I can add? We have to add 26. So that means 24 plus 26. 24 plus 26 is 50. Now in the other case, 4 factorial plus 25. That is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 plus 25. 24 plus 25, that is 49. But our answer is 50. So option A is the correct answer for this solution problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.